Gottfried Medical is a family-owned and operated company dedicated to the research, development, and manufacture of therapeutic medical devices. Since 1981, we've helped thousands of people manage their medical condition in comfort and convenience. Our specialty is made-to-measure compression therapy supports and garments, everything from gloves and knee-length stockings to face masks and full-body suits. Each garment is individually engineered to satisfy the patient's prescription and fit their unique physiology. This case-by-case approach results in a product with distinct advantages over one that is ready-made: higher compression, superior fit, and a broad range of options to simplify donning, reduce discomfort, and ultimately to improve compliance. Made-to-measure products offer advantages to the retailer as well. They don't require floor space, inventory, merchandising, or price changing. There's no capital outlay. The order is paid for in advance by the patient or customer. Measuring is easy with our color-coded paper tapes and easy-to-follow ordering forms. And both you and your patient or customer can depend on Gottfried Medical for courteous toll-free support, prompt delivery, and a generous guarantee. After more than 25 years in the business, our goal continues to be comfort, convenience, and effective therapeutic treatment. For all compression therapy prescriptions, correct fit and pressure are absolutely critical. Only made-to-measure supports and garments can provide that kind of precision. And that's why healthcare professionals rely on Gottfried Medical. Compression therapy is of great benefit in treating patients or customers with vascular or lymphatic conditions or scar-related injuries. Gottfried Medical made-to-measure products, with their superior fit and broad range of options, bring them a new level of comfort, convenience, and physiologically sound therapeutic effect.